In this TLDV discount code video, I'll show you how you can get a huge discount on any paid plan for TLDV, which is an amazing AI-powered note-taking tool. To get started, just click on the special discount link I've included in the description. This will take you directly to the official TLDV website. Once you arrive, you'll notice a pop-up message that says something like, "Someone loves TLDV and thought you'd love it too. Sign up for free and get 30% off for 6 months." If you already have a TLDV account, this discount won't work, so you'll need to log out of your previous account and create a new one using that discount link in the description. Next, simply click on Get TLDV Free Forever and follow all the steps to set up your free account. After you've set up your account, you'll land on the dashboard. Now, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner, then tap on Upgrade. This brings you to the pricing page where you can choose between monthly or annual plans. If you go with the annual plan, you'll get an extra 50% off, which I definitely recommend. Here, you can pick either the Pro plan or the Business plan. Just select whichever suits you best. For this demo, I'll go with the Business plan, which leads to the next page where you can set the number of seats you need. You can increase or decrease this number according to your preference and choose your billing interval, whether monthly or yearly. There's also an option to enter a discount code, but you don't need to fill in anything there because the discount is automatically applied at checkout. All your payment details will show up here. Just click Continue to Payment to proceed. You'll be redirected to the Stripe checkout page, and on the left side, you'll see the 30% referral discount already applied, along with the extra 50% savings if you pick the annual plan. Simply enter your payment details on the right and finish the checkout process. That's how you get a huge discount on TLDV. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on the newly launched Perplexity AI browser called Comet, just click on the video appearing on your screen.